Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play apple bobbing minigame in Dress and Press Halloween update to get secret ghost dress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can join a free play mode and then you can go out of the building. Okay, you can go out of the building and then you can go to the lady. Wait. Okay, you can go to this area and you can go to this lady to buy a ticket, and there will be 3 tickets that you can buy, and I recommend you to buy this one, glowing candy, and it will increase the possibility or the chance to get secret reward. It has 8% and I'm going to purchase this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on purchase, and then you can go to this area and play the apple bobbing here. You can use your ticket, and I'm going to start to play. Okay, you can make it 100%. Okay, just like this. You can tap and hold to move the bar. You need to keep the bar 100%. You need to make it 100% like this. Okay, almost done. Oops. Okay. Oh my god, I'm not lucky. I didn't get the secret ghost dress, but that's okay because I got candy. And okay guys, that's how we can play the apple bobbing minigame in Dress and Press to get secret reward. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.